Imagine looking at a baseball. It's a solid object, a particle. Now imagine it's also a wave rippling through space. Quantum mechanics tells us this isn't imagination, it's reality. Everything in the universe, from a tiny electron to you, has a split personality. It's both a particle and a wave. This bizarre idea started with light. For centuries, we saw light behave like a wave, creating interference patterns just like ripples in a pond. But the photoelectric effect revealed something new. Light also acts like a stream of tiny particles, called photons, that can knock electrons off a metal surface. So light is both. Then, a physicist named Louis de Broglie wondered, if waves can act like particles, can particles act like waves? He proposed that every moving object has a wavelength. For a baseball, this wave is unimaginably small and completely undetectable. But for something as tiny as an electron, its wave nature becomes significant. And experiments proved it. When you fire electrons through a thin crystal, they don't just punch through like tiny bullets. They diffract and create an interference pattern, the unmistakable signature of a wave. This dual identity has a profound consequence, captured by Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Because an electron is both a localized particle and a spread-out wave, you can never know its exact position and its exact momentum at the same time. The more precisely you measure its position, the fuzzier its momentum becomes, and vice versa. This isn't a flaw in our instruments, it's a fundamental rule of the universe. The very fabric of reality at its smallest scale is a dance of probability, where particles don't have a single story, but all possible stories at once.